Okay, in this WIN class, we're going to be learning about how to solve a short answer question. You were given this short answer question recently on an assessment, and either you didn't type an answer, you left it blank, or you attempted to solve it and you only answered one part. So let's read this. It says, a baker sold 87 donuts. How much did he sell, rounded to the nearest 10? And then I see A, it says, type your answer, and B, explain why your answer is correct. Okay, so let's circle some numbers. 87. Okay, and I know I have to round it to the nearest 10. That's what it's asking me to do. Okay, I know I'm going to have to type my answer, and there's this part A, and then there's B, explain why your answer is correct. Okay, and I can't do it on a piece of paper, but I'm going to have to solve it on a piece of paper, and then I'm going to have to turn it over and type it. So here's my piece of paper that my mom gave me. Okay, and I know I have to round 87 to the nearest 10. So I just write to the side on my scratch paper, 87 nearest 10. And when I see that it's the nearest 10, right, I know that I have to take out the 10, so I have 80 plus 7. Then I get rid of that 7. Now I know I start with the 80. So I have 80. Now I'm going to count like 5s. 80, 85, and then what? 90. Okay, so if I'm counting, I see 85, then I go count 86, 87. Now I'm going to put an 86 here and then 87. And I can see on my mountain, I'm going to round down, and the answer is going to be what? 90. So that's A. A is 90. But I have to type my answer, right? So I'm going to have to type the answer. So that means I'm going to have to get my computer, and I'm going to have to type the letter A and then the answer. So I want you to pretend that this is the little box from Mastery Connect, and I'm going to type the letter A, and then I'm going to write the number 90. I'm going to type it. If I do that part, I get 1 point. But I'm going to go even further. And now I'm going to type the letter B because I'm getting ready to answer B. So let's look at what B asked us to do. B says, I did A. I'm really excited. I did A. Found the answer. Explain why your answer is correct. So I'm going to go back at my piece of paper that my mom gave me with my little work. And now I know my answer A, 87 is closer to 90. 87 is rounded to 90 because it is closer to 90 than 80. I'm going to type that. And I'm just going to write it. I know 87 is closer to 90 than 80. And I'm done with B. That's all I had to do. So you're going to be doing the exact same thing today and just practicing that.